Hey, hi, how are you? This is Hardik Kingam. Today I'm going to say about my European experience. It was pretty good and I like the way where I skate. And this is my brother, he got hurt. Now after that he is okay. And this is back of me skating, the blue color I could check out. And there were mountains, big old buildings, and there was a beautiful bridge, and people were dancing and they were jumping. And I saw a big castle. My mothers were recording this, so clap it out for her. She is the one who created all this. Thank you for her. And there were couples skating. I don't want to talk about all the sussy things. Okay, next of all, I saw the pretty big castle. I was not excited about the part. The most excited was seeing these many people walk, and I fell down rapidly and I felt shy. This is me with the blue coat. I did not have balance and I fell down. Later I covered I again got covered. It's okay. I recovered. And the ice was really hard and there were music playing all around. Yeah, see, I fell down. It was so frustrating when I fell down. I do not know how to do that. I was all slippery, sloppery. Yeah, it was fun. It was so much fun though. There were so many people going without even doing anything. I do not know if I do ice skating, but that's my first time to do. I did it with the grateful first time, but they were skipping, they were roaming. It was too much fun for them and for me.